Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the app suggestions on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, if you're using the app drawer, you'll notice that you'll see your most frequently apps displayed on the top. And if you want to disable that feature, all you have to do is simply open settings. So go to settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select home screen. Tap on that and then select home screen. And then within the app drawer settings, you should find the app suggestions option. So display most frequently used apps in your drawer. So to disable it, simply tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will disable the app suggestion on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.